How to write a book. If you clicked here, let me guess. You tried to write a book. You wrote the first paragraph. You thought it was bad. You felt discouraged. You quit. Take a breath. The good news? You didn't fail. You just didn't have a method. And now that changes. This is a straight-to-the-point guide to help you start or restart your book today. Before you write, you need to read a lot. Every great writer starts as a reader. If you want to write good stories, you need to consume good stories. Reading expands your creative range, strengthens your imagination, and teaches you, indirectly, how narratives are structured. Every book begins with an idea, a concept. And here's the secret. The best concepts are simple to explain, but infinite to explore. A practical way to create something new? Mix two existing ideas together. There are two types of writers. Discover yours. Writers usually fall into two main archetypes. Architects, they plan everything before writing. They create outlines, timelines, character profiles. Gardeners, they start with an idea and let the story grow on its own. Neither is better than the other. But using the wrong method for you is the perfect recipe for frustration. How do you figure out which one you are? Write a short story. If you just started writing without much planning, you're probably a gardener. If you made an outline before beginning, you're probably an architect. But remember, this is a guide, not a prison. You might be somewhere in between. The biggest mistake beginners make: over-editing. At the beginning, your only job is to finish the book. Write everything. Don't edit. Don't show it to anyone. Don't try to be brilliant. Your first draft doesn't need to be good. It just needs to exist. Quality comes in rewriting. Discipline beats inspiration. Waiting to feel like it is the most efficient way to never finish. Set a daily goal. It could be 300 words, 500 words, 1,000 words. For example, I usually write around 1,000 words a day, but the number doesn't matter. Consistency does. Test it for 21 days. Turn writing into a habit, not a rare event. Finish the book? Don't publish yet. Now begins the phase that separates amateurs from real writers. 1. Do a full revision. There will be mistakes, many. 2. Revise again. 3. Send it to trusted readers, preferably within your genre. 4. Absorb the feedback. Adjust what makes sense. And then stop. Let the manuscript rest for at least 3 weeks. Don't reread it. Don't tweak it. Forget it exists. Then come back and read it as if you were a stranger. You'll see problems and strengths that were invisible before. This technique is mentioned by Stephen King in On Writing, and it works remarkably well. Conclusion. Writing a book isn't about magical talent. It's about a clear idea, a method that fits you, daily discipline, strategic rewriting. Most people quit because they start lost. Now you're not. If you made it this far, you might be closer to finishing your book than you think. And the only difference between those who dream of writing and those who become writers is simple. The ones who finish. Now go write. See you next time.